Hey everyone, how's it going? Hope you're doing well. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to change voice on Google Maps, and this is actually very simple. At first, what you want to do is head over to Google Maps. From there at the top right, you see your profile icon. You wanna click on that one, and then you wanna click on settings at the bottom. From there, scroll down until you find navigation settings. Click on this. As you can see, voice selection, it's selected default. If you click on it, you'll see all of the voices that are available, but these are of what do you call it, the language, right? And if you want to change the voice, like if it's a, let's say you want it to be a bit softer, you click on softer. If it's louder, you click on louder. And then Google Assistant settings, if you click on this, for some people you might see the voice option, but yeah, these are the things that you can change basically, and this is how to do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.